Hey guys, welcome back. It's DoubleArchangelenterprise. I got my Christmas sweater on because, well, it's soon Christmas, and that's why we're gonna enjoy the magic time of my Christmas art. So, this time we're going on a time-lapse journey to the North Pole, and we're gonna check out my artwork that has got the most likes on my Instagram account. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you like my content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also ring the bell to get the notice whenever I get a new video out. Now when I feel better, it's probably more often. So I hope you enjoy this time lapse, and Merry Christmas from me. I will, however, make a New Year's video still, so be back until then. Anyway, let's go and check what I made, how I made it, and maybe you learned something from it. So enjoy, and let's begin. Okay, yeah guys, so I decided not to do a cringe intro for this one, but I hope you still will enjoy the time-lapse. I will, however, do a small voiceover here also, as in the video before, to just give some small ideas of what I thought when I made this piece. So, for the most of the time I use the curves adjustment layer to get the right lighting sources in every single part of the picture. But here I decided that I had to use another picture to get it to fit in. I also had some difficulties in deciding what kind of background I had, but when I got it decided, I started to make the reflections in the window right away. After this, some pretty basic stuff. I started to put all the lights on places, and also made the reflections of the lights in the window, even though I know that I was about to put highlights in the windows, so the reflections won't be that visible, but they are still there, so it makes it more realistic. Okay, so yeah, when I was ready with the composition, I started to make some haze
white haze in the background to make the feel of the place being really, really cold. Starting with a universal highlight in yellow, making all the surroundings, getting that light from the beginning, and then going through every single light source, small light sources with all of their different colors. I also put some highlights in the actual window from the reflections. So you see a reflection in the windows, it also has the same highlight as the actual light source. I decided to boost up the light without actually doing anything to the light sources by adding more highlights on the planks in the wood that makes, and inside the trees, also in the pine tree, made it look like it's more light than it actually is without burning the picture. I had done quite a quick job with this one, so I decided that stuff that makes it more realistic also is adding small details here and there, like the little chandelier I made in the upstairs window, for example. This is not necessary, of course, but if you have time, why not? Also, I kept in mind using the sunrise in the background and have the edge light a little bit orange, and it gives this effect when it's blue and orange. These two colors are so-called complementary colors and work very well together. I decided to add a little reindeer to the picture because, well, I think the left side didn't really have enough stuff in it. Anyway, starts to be the end, and I wish you guys again very great Christmas and great holidays, and catch you in a week. Thanks.